In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit scheduled posts on LinkedIn. If you've already planned content ahead of time and need to make a quick update before it goes live, LinkedIn makes that process pretty simple. This is useful if you want to fix wording, update a detail, or make your post clearer and more polished before it's published. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can edit your scheduled post without any confusion. Start by going to your LinkedIn feed and clicking Start a Post. Even though you're not creating a brand new post right now, this is the entry point LinkedIn uses to access your posting tools. Once the post window opens, look to the bottom right of that window and click the clock icon. This is the scheduling section, and it's where LinkedIn stores any posts you've already scheduled for later. From there, select View All Scheduled Posts. This will open the full list of posts you currently have planned. Take a moment here to find the specific post you want to update, especially if you have several scheduled at different times. When you've found the right one, click the three dots on that scheduled post. This opens a small menu with more options for managing it. From that menu, select Edit Post. Now you can begin editing the post. Update the text as needed, make any corrections, or refine the message so it says exactly what you want. This is a good time to quickly reread everything before saving, just to make sure the final version is ready to go. If your scheduled post includes details that need to stay accurate by the time it publishes, double-check those before moving on. Once you're done making changes, click Schedule again to save the updated version. That final step is important because your edits won't be applied unless you reschedule the post after updating it. And that's it. That's how to edit scheduled posts on LinkedIn. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review scheduled content ahead of time, especially if dates, promotions, or wording might change. A small edit can help your post stay relevant and professional when it finally goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.